Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a running water test on the Realme Note 60. It comes with IP64 water resistance, so we'll see how durable this device is going to be against the stream of water falling on it. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So this is the tab that we will use for this testing purpose. So let's start it. Bit of the water on the back, on the camera module, on the sides. Let's have a look on our device now. So as you can see, there is water on the back. So the touch screen is not responding to my touches here, as you can see. Even though it comes with touch technology. Okay, it's working fine now. So the screen was just stuck. So yeah, now it's working perfectly. And it's looking quite smooth, as you can see here. Even though still there is water on the touch screen on my finger, it's looking good enough. If we launch the camera, the focusing speed is good, as you can see. This is the image that we have just captured. Looks good as well, so let's try a bit more of water and let's see what's going to happen. So you can see that the touch screen is responding to the stream of water, but it's very rare. It's not happening so frequently. So I think that's more than enough. Let's have a look on our device again now. So once again, you can see there is water all over the display. On the side as well as on the back panel, it's full of water. But the touch screen sensitivity is perfect. As you can see, it's working fine here. It's looking pretty good. Once again, if we launch the camera, so you can see I can switch between the camera modes. If I take the picture, image processing is happening fast. This is the image that we have just captured. Good amount of details, as you can see. So the camera touch screen is working fine. As you can see that the water vent inside the speaker grill and the USB Type-C port. So let's check the speaker. So the speaker quality is looking good as well. It's loud, it's clear, and the audio output is nice. So it seems the IP64 water resistance on our Realme Note 60 is working really good and providing the protection to the device from the water. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.